Welcome to the Car Reset channel. Today I will show you how to restore the SMS icon on the Samsung Galaxy A72. So first look around, try to find it. It's not here. It's not in any folders as well. So to fix this, just scroll to the top from the middle of your screen and look for the Messages app, which is right here. Then hold it down and drag to the top to add to your home screen. You can add it in any folders, in any screens, but you can also add it here, whichever it was. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the Car Reset channel for more videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.